The Chinese smartphone manufacturer Oppo has unveiled its Find X series in 2018. Unlike existing smartphones in the market, the company tried to play differently and brought the full-screen phone with motorized pop-up camera. It is a revolutionary product and showed how phone in the future may look like. The highly anticipated successor of the Oppo Find X will finally be launched within a few weeks. In this video, we'll talk about leaks and rumors of the upcoming Oppo Find X2. The Find X2 is supposed to be packed with all new features and hardware. The phone is expected to equip with the latest Snapdragon 865 processor, as most companies are releasing their high-end phones with their flagship processor. Previously, Oppo Vice President Alan Wu said during a Qualcomm summit on December 4th that Oppo's next flagship smartphone will be powered by a Snapdragon 865 chipset. The X2 will be one of the very first smartphones to use the 865 processor. To keep up the promise of making excellent phones, the phone might come with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. There are rumors that the phone may have 6.5-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The high refresh rate along with HDR10 feature will give users superior viewing experience. According to rumors, the phone may have curved display like its predecessor. Few months ago, Oppo released a video of an unnamed smartphone with a waterfall display, and there were rumors that the phone is going to be the Find X2. However, according to a tweet by Ice Universe, the curvature display may not be the waterfall display. It is also rumored to be equipped with the MEMC chip that can be found on high-end TVs to provide more color accuracy. Like the previous one, the phone may have an aluminum body frame. It is also expected to come with Corning Gorilla Glass 6, whereas the Find X had Gorilla Glass 5. Having said that, the biggest question is, will it have under-display camera? Oppo didn't confirm anything about the under-display camera, but as far as we know, Oppo is not going to use under-display camera for the Find X2. Another rumor suggests that the phone may have punch-hole display. The Find X had motorized camera, and there is still confusion about the phone coming up with motorized pop-up camera. Although from the tweet by Ice Universe, we saw that the display comes with a very minimal punch hole in the display. Oppo may go this way in order to get waterproof rating for the device. The selfie camera could be Sony IMX616 32MP sensor. On the rear camera, rumors suggest that the Find X2 will have triple camera setup and the first phone to use Sony IMX689 sensor. The sensor features omnidirectional PDAF technology for faster focusing. We are also expecting a secondary IMX708 sensor, which is basically a 13MP telephoto sensor capable of shooting 5x hybrid optical zoom alongside an ultra-wide shooter. The fingerprint sensor and headphone jack was missing in the original Find X. There is less expectation for the 3.5mm headphone jack, but everybody wants a fingerprint sensor on their phone. The Find X2 may feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. According to GSM Arena, the phone will have a 4000 mAh battery with fast charging feature. The 65W Super VOOC flash charger will be able to charge the phone fully in just 35 minutes. As most of the smartphones in 2020 are coming with the new 5G technology for better internet experience, the Find X2 is expected to follow the same direction. Oppo uses its own customized operating system UI for its mobile devices. The Find X2 is expected to come with ColorOS 7, which is based on Android 10. The phone is expected to be a game-changing device by bringing an immersive gaming experience with high FPS and refresh rate. A leak claimed that the Find X2 is not only the upcoming Find series smartphone. The Find X2 and X2 Pro has been spotted the NBTC certification website. However, it is unclear whether these two phones will have similar configuration or not. Oppo is working on unveiling the Find X2 on the 2020 Mobile World Congress in Barcelona on 22nd of February. Well, until now, we don't have any information about the pricing yet. The Find X2 is expected to be one of the most powerful flagship phones in 2020. From all the leaks and rumors, Oppo has done huge improvements on the upcoming flagship phone compared to the original Find X. Previously, we have seen that Oppo focuses on designing alongside hardware in Find series. Furthermore, Oppo is determined to compete in the market with OnePlus, Samsung, and Huawei with its Find X2. As of now, that is all we know about the Find X2. If you like this video, hit the like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.